Okay, so hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute, but of course my phone buzzing stays the same because somehow the universe always knows. Okay, so like I said, it's been a hot minute. Went to Boston, came back, didn't film anything, but like it's fine. But I'm back, and because school is starting soon, I thought I would do a like natural school look, because I feel like when you're going to class, like no matter if you're in high school or like college or I guess middle school, like a lot of times I know I always wanted to sleep in, so I know that I always wanted to sleep in, so like I'm always looking for like the best way to basically do nothing but still look good and still look like natural. So that's what I'm going to do today, and if you want to continue to see that, I guess let's keep watching. So I'm going to start with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector and just put that under my eyes. This stuff is a lifesaver. I use this all the time to this day, even though I have graduated, just because it makes things so much easier. It's like, wow, I don't have awful circles under my eyes because I definitely get sleep. Definitely don't stay up too late. Why? Why do people become convinced that they need to message me? Also, I'm going to pull my hair back because I realize that's going to get in my way, but like it's fine. Okay, so next I'm just going to take concealer. I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And I'm going to use this under my eyes and on any blemishes. Also, I know it's not like the proper way, but I definitely have used concealer as an all over like look because it's simple and easy, but that's just me. I also use concealer to help with redness just because I personally have found that because I don't really use foundation, I mainly just use like a tinted moisturizer. Because of that, sometimes all of the redness doesn't go away, so I also help that issue by just putting on more concealer. I meant to put on primer, so we're just gonna pretend that I did put it on before this. I definitely did not mean to do it like this, but here we are. Also, I traveled with this, and I guess because of that, it's like all over the place. I love that. I've never actually, I think, tried to put primer on over concealer, so we'll see how this goes. But when you do this, make sure to use your primer before concealer. Don't be me. Don't be an idiot. And just smack yourself. And next, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Illuminating Tinted Moisturizer, which has Broad Spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen. And I am using the shade Bare Radiance, and I need to get more soon, but it's fine. I like it though because you don't need a ton, like a little goes a long way, but I feel like everyone knows that by now. Then I just go back in with concealer for anything that didn't get the coverage that I wanted it to. Also, Boston made my neck break out, and I think it's because I just didn't have all of my regular skincare products with me, but like, I'm really not amused by it. And then next, I am just going to do my eyebrows, and I am using the NYX 3-in-1 Brow Pencil. Okay, and then I'm going to be using the Tarte Toasted palette, if I can open it. And then I'm just going to put s'mores all over my lid for just a very like neutral, clean base. And then I'm going to go in with Latte and Cozy mixed. and just put that in the crease. And then I'm going to put the Milk Makeup highlight color and lit on my inner corner. I'm going in with the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Highlighter and 01 Champagne Champion. And I'm just going to go over where I put the milk highlighter. I'm going to just take Candle with a finger and just kind of put it in there to make it not look so dull, and then just go back through with whatever is left on my brush and put it in my crease. Just to kind of also blend out any glitter that got in there. And then just going in with Fireside, not much, just a little, like meet halfway on your lash line. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and do my mascara. And I am using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Serum, Boosting Serum. I was reading the French side. And then using the Monsieur Big from Lancome. You can stop there if you would like. I think this alone is very pretty and very like I just came back from summer break sort of look. So I really like this, but if you want to add contour, then you can keep watching. But if you're done and you're like, I gotta get out the door like ASAP, great. I'm going to add light contour. And then just smack on some highlighter, as one does. And then like chapstick is what I usually use. But I'm just gonna put on some Strawberry Peppermint Lip Balm. Like, I don't really think you need to wear any sort of like lipstick to school, because like, homie, it's gonna come off. Stick to the basics, you know? So this is the final look. I really like it. I think it's very natural looking and very like, oh, like I just got back from break sort of thing. So if you like it, I'm glad. If you wear it, send me pictures. I would love to see them. Yeah, it's been a hot minute since I filmed, so like it's really taking my brain a minute to catch up to what I should be saying. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not already, hit the subscribe button down below, or you can hit it up here, and then I will link to other videos over here for you to go and watch for your viewing pleasure. And if you wore this, leave a comment down below to let me know, or if you have other looks you would like to see me do. I used to do a lot of makeup videos, and then I kind of got away from it, and so, I mean, I enjoy doing them, but if you want to see more, let me know. If you want to see me do a different type of video, let me know. I hope you guys all have an amazing school year. I hope you guys all have an amazing school year. You'll learn a lot, take the time to, you know, do your studies, all of that. And I just hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, week, whatever. Yeah, so I guess I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.